Welcome to group discussion practice. Let's learn how to participate effectively in a group discussion. Preparation phase. Preparation is key. Manage your time well, take notes, and brainstorm ideas before the discussion starts. Introduction. Begin with confidence. Introduce yourself, maintain a friendly tone, and start with a strong opening statement. Discussion phase. Engage in meaningful conversations. Listen actively, express your thoughts clearly, and contribute valuable points. Handling counterpoints. Respect different viewpoints. Address counterarguments logically, stay calm, and maintain a balanced discussion. Conclusion. Wrap up effectively. Summarize key points, support the final decision, and end with a confident closing remark. Feedback and improvement. Learn and improve. Reflect on your performance, note areas of improvement, and keep practicing for better results. That's it for group discussion practice. Keep practicing, stay confident, and participate actively in discussions. Asterisk.